Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're gonna do the unboxing of the latest Bluetooth earphones from Oppo, the Oppo Enco M31. So Oppo Enco M31 is priced 1,999, that's 2,000 rupees in India, and this will be competing with the Realme Buds Air Buds Wireless as well as the OnePlus Bullet Wireless C. Both are neckband type of Bluetooth wireless earphones. Now this also comes with the LDAC codec, that's the audio codec. This has pretty good battery life, then AI based noise cancellation for calls, so a lot of features are included, and this has the same pricing as that of the Bullet Wireless C. So let's see, first let's do an unboxing. We'll do a separate video on comparison with the Bullet Wireless Z. So this is the unboxing. So you can see that high resolution LDAC codec, and this is the Oppo Enco M31. So the back of the box mentions the specifications. So LDAC ultra clear audio transmission, certified high resolution wireless audio, 9.2 mm titanium speakers, and this also has AI uplink noise cancellation during calls, then smart magnetic mechanism, 23 gram lightweight design, 8 hours LDAC audio playing time, bass mode is included, IPX5 water resistance is also included. So those are the features with these earphones. So let's open the box package, and then we'll see how the earphones look like, and then what are the features. We'll also test the sound quality. We'll tell you our first impressions after using it for a while. We'll do a detailed review later, so that we'll do later. Now let's open the box package. There you go. So that's the Oppo Enco M31. So let's just take this out. So we'll keep this for a minute. We'll see what all comes inside the box. So you can see that warranty information, and then we have the quick start guide. So let's see the quick start guide, what all features it offers. So there you go, you can see that how to pair. Now media playback, there is also button for play and pause, volume up and down, answering calls. You can press the multifunction button to answer a call. Voice assistant is also there. Now there is also some additional options like the audio effects, so that's something interesting. So switching audio effects, press the multi button twice, and the balance mode is enabled by default each time the headphones are powered on. Balance mode, excellent audio balance for every frequency. Now bass mode, enhanced rich and smooth bass. So if you're a person who wants bass mode, you can just double tap the multifunction button and it will move on to the bass mode. If you double tap it, it will move to the balance mode. Now balance mode is kind of a balance of all the audio, while bass mode, as the name indicates, is more concentrating on the bass performance. So that's the earphone. So those are the options. So let's see in this box what all comes in this box. So you get 2 additional ear tips included, and you also get a charging cable. So this is the charging USB Type-C charging cable. That's very important because most of the smartphones are now moving to USB Type-C, and you definitely want a Type-C charging option. Now next, let's open these earphones from this case. So there you go. So that's the Oppo Enco M31. So looks really nice. The fit and finish and build quality looks really great, and you can see here that if I get closer, you can see that there is an Oppo branding here. Now important thing is that these are metal, so this does give a really good feel altogether. You can see that some really good fit and finish added here towards the end of this cable. So you can see that the finishing looks really good. The cable is also extremely flexible, and the bottom section also has this chrome pattern which gives a good feel altogether. The premiumness is being offered. So here you can see that the multifunction button, the press up and down volume. So if you just press this button twice, you get to the bass mode. Then we have the volume up and down controls. Then the charging port is included here. So that's the charging port. Now if you look at the earphones, so they are pretty small in size and extremely lightweight too. So you get these really nice earphones. So this is the magnetic mechanism. So you can see here, as soon as I come to the magnetic mechanism, it latches on. The magnetic mechanism is strong, you can see that it is pretty strong, and attaches pretty easily. So that's the earphone. So the material quality definitely looks good. It's premium, well built earphone, and it's a bit more compact than the OnePlus Bullet Wireless C. We feel it's even lighter in weight than the Bullet Wireless C. So let's just pair it with our smartphone, and then we'll see how the experience is. So when I press this button, the multifunction button, you can see that the pairing mode is activated, and you can actually see Oppo Enco M31 here. So just pairing this now. So I just paired the Oppo Enco M31 here. Now let's listen to some songs, and then we'll come back and tell you how it was, the first impressions. So we just tested the Oppo Enco M31 pairing with our iPhone, and then we just tried a couple of songs. One of them had really high bass, and the performance of the Oppo Enco M31 was quite surprising. The bass was really good, and you just double press this mode to switch to the high bass mode, or double press to have the balance mode. Even with the balance mode, the bass was really good, and when you switch to the bass mode, the bass performance is really good. Now the audio quality as such also looked really fine in our first round of testing. So this is something which really impresses. The 9.2mm driver on the Oppo Enco M31 does a really good job. Now this also has LDAC support, that's the audio codec which is being used here. We'll have to test it more, and then we'll do a comparison with the Bullet Wireless Z and also the Realme Buds Wireless. So this is something which impresses really well, and this has 12 hours of battery life, IPX5 water rating, and this has nice quality, and it's comfortable to use as well. We have been using for quite some time. For a couple of songs it was quite comfortable. We had to use it for a longer time to see how it stands up in terms of the comfort. But overall, we feel in our first impression these are really promising earphones from Oppo, and these are priced 1,999 and available on Amazon. So we are using the mic on the Oppo Enco M31 to record this video. So you can actually check how good the audio quality is when speaking through the mic on the Oppo Enco M31. So that's the unboxing and hands-on with the Oppo Enco M31. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.